Strength and beauty often flourish in challenging growing conditions. And so we came to central Arizona's Sonora Desert at the end of summer. It was a trip for self-reflection and healing. In this environment, some of the most impressive members of the plant world thrive. The saguaro cactus, an iconic symbol of these lands, and it embodies many of the traits we humans admire. With their stick figure-like form, it's easy to perceive their awareness when you stand in a forest of these majestic beings. We found a cactus nursery where the proprietor cared for his plants with a soulful connection. With his help, we selected a few specimens to adopt into our collection. We reassured the cacti that they would be safe and nurtured under our care, and then we drove them home. The saguaro was put in a 2/3 wine barrel pot so its roots could spread out. Wrestling with this heavy, thorny specimen into position required unnerving hugs for both of us, I'm sure. On the surface of the soil, we placed a few Sonoran desert rocks that we had gathered. We watered and then made an offering of huachol tobacco that we grew this summer, asking for forgiveness for the indignity of its last week of travels and to welcome it to its new home. We hope to listen and learn from their lessons of resilience and strength, and we're grateful that they'll now join us in our garden community.